It's a special rubber that, there are suppliers that provide it. It comes in 5mm wide strips, and then depending on the type of rubber that you require for specific models, I mean, there's maybe 20 different classifications of models that use the rubber. So it basically comes in a 5mm wide strip, I think it's 0.24 thick, and then you just cut it. With the rubber strip to the motor hook, and the end's coming off and attaching to the back motor hook. It's just got a little O-ring there to make it easier to attach. I've got my special. The three principles really are about weight, trimming, just looking at the propeller, how finely I've sanded it down. Even the wheels are balsa, they're two laminations of 0.8 that glue to right angles. It's all a matter of saving those little fractions of weight where possible. This whole model weighs 6.9 grams.